Okay, we're given that the sine of angle U is 7/25, and the cosine of V is -8/17. Both U and V are in quadrant 2. Find the exact value for the cosecant of U minus V. Okay, so here we have angle U rotated into the second quadrant. We're told that the sine of U is 7/25. So if you picture this little reference right triangle, here's the opposite side 7 over the hypotenuse is 25. We can find this value, the length of the adjacent side, or we're calling this the reference angle, by using the Pythagorean theorem or knowing the Pythagorean triple, 7, 24, 25. And likewise over here for angle V, still in the second quadrant, we're given that the cosine of V is -8/17. So again, by the Pythagorean theorem or using the fact that we have a Pythagorean triple, 8, 15, 17, we can find the length of this side. And that allows us to calculate these values. The cosine of U is -24/25, and the sine of V is 15/17 right here. And we're going to use these two trigonometric identities to evaluate the cosecant of U minus V. So let's go to board 2. Here is a kind of proof on Desmos of what's happening. U would be the U pi minus the inverse sine of 7/25, the angle that has a sine of 7/25. This is a radian measure. And V would be the angle that has a cosine of -8/17. So the cosecant of U minus V is this value. Looks like 1/sine of U minus V has the same value. And if we use that second trig identity, rewrite it this way, we get the same thing. And this converted to a fraction, there's your answer. Now, how do you get that without actually calculating these angles? Well, you go to this identity right here. Cosecant of U minus V has to be this. And so we just substitute in the values. 7/25, -8/17 minus cosine of U, which we calculated, 15/17 sine of V. Multiply this stuff together. This is a complex fraction. I like to multiply numerator and denominator of the big fraction by the LCD. So we get 425 in the numerator. We do get -56 plus 360 in the denominator, which is 304. There's your answer. Okay, that's the exact value for the cosecant of U minus V. There you go. Hope that gave you some help. If you have any questions, post a comment.